Ready to unlock the power of seamless online payments? Let's dive into how to set up a payment in Stripe, the platform empowering businesses worldwide to accept payments with ease. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to the developer section, usually found on the left-hand side. This is where we'll access the tools needed to set up our payment. Click on API keys here. You'll find your publishable key and secret key. Remember to keep your secret key safe and secure. For the simplest integration, consider using Stripe's payment element. It's a pre-built UI component that handles collecting payment information securely. You can easily embed this into your website with just a few lines of code. Before going live, always test your integration in test mode. Stripe provides test card numbers and other testing resources to ensure everything is working correctly. After a successful test, switch to live mode and you're ready to accept real payments. You can track all your transactions in the payment section of your dashboard. Stripe also offers powerful analytics and reporting tools, allowing you to gain valuable insights into your business performance. And that's it. You've successfully set up a payment in Stripe, enabling seamless online commerce for your customers. For more tips and tricks on maximizing your Stripe experience, be sure to subscribe and explore our other videos. Thanks for watching.